So the first song, I hope you all know this song. The song's called This Cold Love. So let's sing it together.